Yeah, when I'm JV. Hold up. I'm still going hard. I'm just 13, still getting money, but back in the day, just working in the yard. All these niggas say flinting, I'm broke, but niggas just playing with check my car. I feel like hating, y'all say it's not, but niggas y'all sound like a real retard. Driving at work just day and night to get my rest so I can recharge. Minimum things, you can't do that, cause earn real big, get paid real large. Nigga, tryna get a fidget. Between my money, between my eyes, like she got broke and pulled the trigger. Got hella hoes, yeah, there's some bot, and some of them might they name a million. When I'm 14, including now, I'ma start my goal of getting a million. Million? Fuck that, I'm getting a trillion. Hella talk, they love my words, especially when I'm up on television, nigga.
Yeah, bro. Turn on the TV, bro. For sure.